Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Park on level ground and chalk wheels left and right for stability. Loosen the lug nuts but do not remove them yet. Lift the vehicle with a jack and support it with rated stands under pinch welds. Remove the wheel and inspect brake pads for minimum thickness. Wear safety glasses and gloves to protect your eyes and hands. Keep a 3/8-inch ratchet, 10 mm socket, and a drip pan for brake fluid recovery. Note pad thickness and piston travel. Typical travel is 25 mm. Open the brake fluid reservoir to relieve reservoir pressure before compressing the piston. Place a drip pan beneath the caliper to catch any expelled fluid. Use a piston compressor tool or a C-clamp with a wooden block to protect the piston face. Position the tool squarely on the piston and apply steady pressure until the piston reaches the caliper bore. For multi-piston calipers, rotate the piston while compressing approximately 90 degrees to align the internal threads. Reinstall the brake pads and position the caliper over the rotor carefully. Refit caliper guide pins and torque the mounting bolts to 30 foot-pounds. Reinstall the wheel and lower the vehicle to the ground slowly and safely. Bleed the brake system starting at the furthest wheel from the master cylinder. Continue bleeding until you see clear fluid and no air bubbles in the line. Check pedal firmness with steady pressure and top off the reservoir to the max line if required.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.